Bonjour, je m'appelle Lisa. Welcome to Montreal, Canada. I bet you didn't know we owned a Canadian facility in addition to our Kansas City and LA clinics. Well, we do, and I'm here today at our 7-unit Phase 1 Clinical Research Center in the heart of Montreal. Let's go. This is where we conduct over 100 clinical trials every year. I could tell you a lot more about this, but instead, let me tell you about Matt. He's the face of this clinic. He leads the clinical operations here. I mean, it's a very serious business, so he prides himself on ensuring the successful completion of your clinical trial. But here's the thing, he's extremely knowledgeable in clinical research, having been in the industry for over 27 years. And he's the funniest guy you'll ever work with. He's a winning combination of knowledge, dedication, and humor, all rolled into one. At this point, I could tell you that we could support a range of specialty studies in a variety of therapeutic areas. But instead of that, I'm going to talk about Dr. Morelli. Dr. Morelli is more than a principal investigator here at our Montreal clinic. He also leads our team of skilled medical professionals at all of Altasciences clinics. What sets him apart is his compassion and dedication towards ensuring subject safety, as well as our mission of getting better drugs to patients who need them faster. I could tell you that running your clinical trials in Canada can save you both time and money. In fact, as your preclinical work is wrapping up, we can submit a CTA often 6 to 9 weeks earlier than for a US IND. And especially with the changing global regulatory landscape, our ex-US strategy is looking pretty good, right? But no, I'm not going to talk about that. I want you to meet Roland. Roland's a mastermind. He's a multitasking genius with unbelievable skills. Whether it's filing your CTAs or taking a call while walking and sipping coffee, he can do it all without sacrificing quality. What's his secret? Impeccable organization and a profound regulatory knowledge. Trust me, he's the guy you want on your projects. Now, I could tell you about our on-site pharmacy, which can quickly receive, dispense, and compound your API drug product, including Schedule I controlled substances, ensuring real-time prep for your clinical trial. But I'm not going to do that. Let's talk about Kevin. He manages the pharmacy. Kevin is a master craftsman inside and outside Altasciences, whether crafting miniature models or your drug product. Kevin pays attention to every little detail as if he was a surgeon. Under Kevin's guidance, you can have full confidence that every aspect's handled with precision and care. You want to know more about the clinic? Well, too bad, because I'm talking about the lab, which is strategically located just 15 minutes away. Talk about efficient sample transport, analysis, and data turnaround. Small molecule, large molecule, flow cytometry, we got you. Let me introduce you to Lynn, the conductor of our lab, guiding our scientific and operational teams to get the results you need for your go, no-go decisions. The lab operates like a finely tuned orchestra, each member expertly playing their part in perfect harmony, whether for method development, validation, or sample analysis. Finally, thank you for letting me tell you about our CRO/CDMO offering, which is truly unique, covering everything from lead candidate selection to clinical proof of concept and beyond. It's our dedicated team that make the real difference, and we're looking forward to seeing you in Montreal.